How to change location on Netflix account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can change the location on your Netflix account, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to change our location on our Netflix account, all we have to do is, first of all, just go ahead and open up the App Store no matter whichever phone you use, and then in the search box you simply want to download any of the VPN applications that you like. So I usually download the ones that are most highest rated. There are some good ones such as TouchVPN, ExpressVPN, VPN Proxy, NordVPN, Tomato VPN, and so on. The one I'm going to use here is TouchVPN because I've already basically installed it as well. Now what you want to do is just go ahead and then open the TouchVPN application, and then depending upon which country or location that you want to connect it to, you can just select the location over here. And then you can simply select any of the other locations such as Romania, Denmark, Ireland, Germany, Ukraine, United States, Spain, or whatever else you prefer. You can just select the specific servers and then just tap on this red icon over here in order to successfully connect to that VPN. Now because it is a free app, you might need to deal with some ads, but you can close them after a couple of seconds, and then it is going to take some time to connect to that specific server. When it connects to it, you will be able to see the VPN icon at the top right or top left hand side of your phone. Now after you've done that, you can basically go ahead and then open up Netflix, relaunch it. If it doesn't work, then try to relog out and relog in again, and this time when you log in, you should be able to go ahead and then watch the shows that wasn't available in your location earlier on. And that's all it takes to change the location on Netflix account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.